So we have to find the terms of a series. So the question is worded like this, that these are the first three terms of the series, -7, -5, and -3, and they amount to 65. So 65 here is Sn, and we have to find n. How will we do that? Well, a1 is obviously -7, so this is my a1 is -7, and the common difference is obviously the difference between two consecutive numbers, and so that means -5 minus -7, and that gives you basically 2. So the common difference d is equal to 2, and Sn, so the sum of the terms that are required, is 65, and we have to find the value of n. So how will we do that? Well, you see here that we have this formula, and you remember this formula obviously from the first video of the series. And so basically we'll plug in the values of a1, d, and Sn over here, and we have to find the value of n. So when you do that, and when you do all the calculations, you find out that the value of n will be found by solving this quadratic equation. So when you factorize this, you get this equation, and when you do all the further calculations, you find out that you will have two values of n. So either n minus 13 is equal to 0 or n plus 5 is equal to 0. So when n minus 13 is equal to 0, you get n is equal to 13. When n plus 5 is equal to 0, you get n is equal to minus 5. And obviously this n is equal to minus 5 is not possible, because obviously n, as we discussed way back, n must be a natural number. So it must be a positive integer. And minus 5 is not a positive integer. 13 is a positive integer. So that means that this is the correct answer. N is equal to 13.